To fix the Nespresso Vertuo blinking green light issue, start by understanding what the blinking light indicates. The blinking green light on your Nespresso Vertuo machine typically signals that the machine needs to be descaled or that there is an issue with the coffee flow. First, check if the water tank is empty or if the coffee grounds container is full, as these can trigger the blinking light. Ensure the water tank is filled to the recommended level and empty the coffee grounds container if necessary. Next, check for any blockages in the coffee outlet or the capsules container. Use a soft brush or a cleaning tool to gently remove any coffee residue or debris that may be obstructing the flow of coffee. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to descale your machine. Mineral buildup can cause the blinking green light, so use a Nespresso descaling solution or a mixture of water and white vinegar to run through the machine. To descale, fill the water tank with the descaling solution and place a container under the coffee outlet. Run the descaling cycle according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually by pressing and holding the button until the light starts blinking rapidly. Then release and press again to start the cycle. After completing the descaling cycle, rinse the machine by running several cycles of fresh water through it to remove any remaining descaling solution. Finally, check if the blinking green light has stopped. If it persists, you may need to reset the machine to its factory settings or contact Nespresso customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Nespresso Vertuo blinking green light issue and get back to enjoying your coffee. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and descaling, can help prevent this issue from occurring in the future.